What's up, everybody? I hope everybody had a great weekend, safe weekend, and just, yeah.
Today is Monday, March 2nd.
Also, the way our schedule's set up, we don't get lunches for the next week or for the next month since it's the end of the month. But anyway, there's probably a pizza, nachos,
Teriyaki chicken.
some teriyaki chicken, and yeah.
As our winter sports come to an end, Thursday our basketball teams go to Newcastle for regionals. Friday, indoor track heads to Gillette for state, and speech goes to Warland.
What's up, guys? I'm back with the lunch meetings this week. Today, NHS. Tomorrow, FBLA. And on Wednesday, we got our club.
I'm back with the weather. Monday, it's going to be sunny with a high 23 and a low 14. Tuesday, it's going to be windy with a high 28 and a low 15. Wednesday, it's going to snow with a high 23 and a low of 8. Thursday, it's going to be sunny with a high 24 and a low of 12. And Friday, it will also be sunny with a high 30, wow, and a low 15.
What's poppin'? It's your boy Victor, back at it again with the birthdays. On Monday and Tuesday, we don't have no birthdays. On Wednesday, we got Leanne Bowling. On Thursday, we got Brittany and Brooklyn Larson. And also, we have Tiffany Gamlin. On Friday, we have Rebecca Hinman. And on Saturday, we have Madison Clark, Jonah Manley, Cindy Thorvilson, and Damian Kolb. And on Sunday, we finally have Ryan Smith.
Hey guys, today we're here with the science department. Going to talk a little bit about science. First off, do you guys have anything interesting happening in your classrooms?
Next week for WIN, we're going to be doing mousetrap cars in my classroom.
Right now in Earth space science, we're studying earthquakes, so we're looking at how to use P waves and S waves to calculate epicenters.
We've been dissecting hearts the last week, and so we're just continuing on the heart and the actual anatomy of our body.
And in chemistry, we're going to titrate a weak acid with a strong base.
And talking about dissections, my bad. Here's some clips about it. Boom.
All right, so we are here with the original teacher of this classroom, Mrs. Dono. How are you?
I'm good, thanks.
So, how do you like having a student teacher in this class?
It's great. He does all the work and I hang out at my desk.
What made you guys want to dissect a sheep heart out of anything?
Well, we have been covering the cardiovascular system. True?
Yes, very true.
Yeah. And the people frown on you dissecting humans, so sheep it is.
That's very fair. I would not want to dissect one of my own. All right, the next group we're going to be talking to is Miley and Diane. So, how are you guys liking this dissection?
It's good until you walk in and smell it. I just ate a cookie before this, so.
Yep, it's good.
We did come out of lunch just now, so don't be surprised if you see some puke on camera.
What's up? It's your boy Victor. I'm out here with, your boy T-Sizzle. And they're dissecting the heart, as you already heard by Torin. Right now he's going insanely ham on the heart. He's currently cutting it at a 90-degree angle, close enough. We got Chase Holcomb here. Chase, I don't got no cameraman because I am the cameraman, so we gonna roll with it. But Chase, how do you feel about I've said so many times dissecting the sheep heart?
I feel pretty good about it. I get to see what's inside the heart, and it makes me think of Juice WRLD. He said, "Put my heart in the bag."
Yeah.
And nobody gets hurt, but we killed this sheep.
They killed this sheep. Shout out Juice WRLD. Torin, how do you feel actually physically cutting the heart?
I currently have no idea what I'm doing.
And this is anatomy. Okay. So as you can see, cutting sheep hearts, pretty intense. Torin, how do you feel about this?
I'm just ready to get back to my dissection, to be honest. Kind of wasting time.
I did waste his time, just a little bit though. But I hope you guys enjoyed the footage of
ROTV. See you guys later.
The sheep hearts.
Okay, so what is you guys' favorite thing about science?
Oh, Mr. Grant? Okay. Well, first of all, I just love everything about science because it's so fascinating. And also, I'd like to give a shout out to the math department because I heart math.
Everything about math is proven, unlike the science field.
But given that, science, we don't really deal with imaginary numbers. We deal with real data to solve real world problems, such as figuring out ways to decrease greenhouse gases in our atmosphere, sequencing the entire genome, and also anything that you look at in science is just an order of magnitude, an astronomical unit greater than math.
Yeah. The greatest part about science is it's applicable around us at all times, so we can look at anything and see it. And in anatomy, we're actually solving problems to help people's health. And so everyone is looking to improve their health. And so, at least our answers aren't undefined or we just put infinity to something. We actually try to solve problems.
I'd also like to add that science wouldn't be anything without math, all right? But due to science and using math, we actually have technology, instrumentation, and equipment that can calculate things for us instead of going Stone Age like math does with pen and paper. And we have our instruments that can do it. So like something that's coming up in the near future is sending man to Mars, all right? They can crunch all the numbers they want and look at things that are just theoretical. But in science, we have to come up with the equipment and the machines and everything to send people to Mars, which, again, we need math, but without science, it'd never happen.
And then lastly, problem solving is involved in science and math both, but everything you do in math is all theoretical, hypothetical type of things. Science is everyday, real-life situations where we're actually solving problems. And the other reason why science is the best is because we use all the subjects. We use art. We use English. We have to read. We have to write. We use social studies and history for different things that have happened in history. Like Mr. Grant said, it would be the first time we send someone to Mars or a different planet. Those kind of things. Those are all historical events as well. So that's why science is best. Plus, we can do a lot of PE stuff and active stuff as part of science. So we can incorporate all the subjects in science.
I'd like to add something, too. Plus, people actually like science, unlike math.
Have you ever counted shoulders?
What?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes.
Thank you,
Thank
guys.
you for watching this week's episode of ROTV.
Make sure to follow us on Instagram at RHS_ROTV. And we're done here.